welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Mustaha.
And I'm Nunai.
And we're the Yusufs.
So we usually make videos on fashion, lifestyle. We're sisters, moms, and entrepreneurs. So if you're into that type of stuff and you want to follow along, definitely stick around and subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, which we're super excited about.
So who doesn't love a good unboxing?
Yes, I know that you guys really love it when we share our luxury purchases because, I mean, who doesn't want to see some gems?
I like watching other people's luxury unboxings.
Same, I feel like those are like my favorite type of videos to watch on YouTube. But yeah, we recently got 2 pairs of shoes from Farfetch
for spring,
and it's totally a coincidence, but they're like the same exact color.
Yeah.
It's totally unplanned, I swear.
Yeah. We don't like shop together. I mean, we shop together in real life, but not like on the internet.
Yeah, so we both ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes that were the same exact color, but 2 different brands in the mail, and we're here to share it with you guys.
Yeah, we're so excited. You guys are gonna, first of all, love them. And second of all, we're so excited because we want to share with you guys exactly how we plan on styling them for spring. These are both very popular shoes, so it would just be nice to see like how we're gonna incorporate them into our existing style. So yeah, you wanna go first?
Yes, and if you wanna see even more, like furthermore how we style them, definitely check out our Instagram.
Yeah, because we're gonna wear these to death. Clearly.
Yeah, especially in like the spring, summer.
Yeah, so if you want to see more of that, definitely check out our Instagram because you're gonna love it.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'll go first. All right, so I got myself some Amina Muaddis. I feel like she's like the it girl right now.
Yes.
Yeah, like everybody wants to get their hands on a pair of her shoes.
I do.
I got the GILDA Mule in matte mirror green. And I got it in a 39 because I usually have to size up in like designer shoes, I feel like.
Same. I feel like I wear 39 and I usually have to get like a size 40.
Yeah.
Especially if it's like narrow shoes because my feet are wide.
Yeah. So it comes with this cute little blush pink satin dust bag. Alright, you guys. Put away the box. So here are the shoes.
Oh my god. Stunning.
How beautiful are these, you guys?
They're beautiful.
So I really wanted the ones with like the what are they called? Like
I don't know. It's like a bedazzled little emblem on the front. The circular.
I really wanted those with like the Mary Jane like strap in the back. But I ended up getting these because I really wanted like emerald green shoes.
Yeah.
And it was a must that obviously we have to have Amina Muaddi heels.
Heel.
Like, come on. But yeah, I love that like they're satin. They're like just such a fun color. Yeah. And I plan on just wearing them with like anything basically, like jeans and a t-shirt. Just like basics and just even wild outfits. Just throwing on a bunch of colors and just being, confident and rocking them all summer. So yeah, I can't
They're
wait
the perfect accent shoes for sure.
Yeah.
I definitely want a pair of those as well because I mean, why not? They would be a great addition to my shoe collection.
I really like the pink ones too. Like
I do.
Pink.
I do. And then there's like these like unicorn kind of like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think I want those next. But anyway, you guys want to see my shoes?
Let's get into it.
Oh my god. Okay, so mine are in the infamous green box of the season. You probably know what they are because these shoes are everywhere currently. I literally want these in several colors.
Yeah.
So they come with 2 dust bags, 1 for each shoe, which I really appreciate. Okay, and then we have the shoes. Oh my god. So I've been obsessing over Bottega shoes for a while. Last season I ordered a pair and literally they never came. Like they were on pre-order and then literally 4 months later I followed up and they were just like, oh, so sorry, we can give you your money back. And then by that time I was just like, I was over it because like I had seen the shoes everywhere at that point, and I was just like, you know what? What's the point? I'm over them just by seeing them on everyone.
And it was like over, like
it was like
summer.
cold
No,
outside.
It was like, yeah, it was like end of September.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? Forget it. So I was like, I just waited for another opportunity. So anyway, I got these. These are called I have no idea what they're called. Right? They're called the Stretch Sandal. I got them in the same shade of green as Moonlight shoes.
So we can be
Twinning
matching
in style. So this is what they look like, and they have this like grip at the bottom that I love. It's like
that's awesome.
You will never, slip.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, so that's that. I just love that they have these little straps. I just know myself. I'm gonna style this in so many different ways. I'm really excited about these
They
shoes.
kind of remind me of like a Jamaican like mesh wife beater.
Yeah, like those. I don't know if you're from Toronto. These remind me of Caravana. I love it. Yeah, so that's that.
So that's basically our little unboxing for you guys. Now we're gonna share with you guys a couple of ways how we would both style them.
Yes.
Because we just want to.
Why not?
we want to play a little dress up with you guys.
Yes.
So
give you some spring inspo.
Yeah. All right, let's get into it.
You got that something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love, I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough. Can't say I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning lately when you're not in my blood. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I need your loving, baby, it's all I'm thinking of. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love, I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna.
Okay, so that was our little unboxing and our little lookbook for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed how we styled our shoes. I hope we gave you a little bit of spring inspo.
Yes. And also, if you guys want to check out, like we said earlier, if you guys want to check out how we further style this throughout spring and summer, make sure you check us out on Instagram, because that is where we will be sharing all of our fashionable photos.
Yes, and if you're new here, again, we're the Yusufs. Definitely subscribe, because we
Definitely.
are going to be posting a lot more now that, spring and summer is coming and we get to go outside.
We get to go outside,
you
and
know,
like COVID is kind of sort of
like,
going
getting the
away,
hell out of here.
and it's an exciting time in life.
But yeah, you guys, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye.